Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel MD Paradise. Today's video is making piping with dori. How to add piping in shalwar. For this, watch my full video, click bell icon and always get my latest video. I have print fabric for shalwar and plain fabric for making dori. Let's get start. Make long strip 1 inch wide. Mark 1 inch. Add this dori piping in your shalwar. Make your wardrobe fashionable look. Like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Join these lines to make straight cut. Cut. I cut 2 strips. Set dori in the center and fold. Stitch here. Stitch with single foot. I have made 2 piping dori. Now I am going to add this piping dori in my shalwar. I have already cut. Place folding side of dori in the rectangle part of the shalwar of right side. And place triangle part over it. Now stitch half an inch wide. stitch neatly. Have you ever made dori piping shalwar? Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.